Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, I'm using VN application. You can download this application from Play Store. Now go to Setting and choose Preferences Fill. Now click on plus icon and go to New Project. Now add your one photo. Select Format 9:16. Delete the end part. Now set this photo to 5.7 seconds. Now click on plus icon and go to Photo Video. Now first go to Settings. Now set the photo duration to 0.1 second. Now add your 47 photos. In trend, it says 60 photos, but we can only use 47 photos with this audio. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now add text. Now place the text. Choose color and style according to you. Now apply text layer to first photo. Now check your video. Now export. Now click on Save to Album. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.